Intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back, guys. I'm Paul.
And I'm Emily.
And today's episode is going to feel like you're sitting with two American friends having coffee and chatting in English.
Exactly. No boring grammar lecture today.
Thank goodness.
We're going to help you understand real American conversation naturally.
And if you're learning English right now, don't worry about being perfect.
Seriously, mistakes are normal.
I still make mistakes in my own language.
That's true.
Yesterday, I texted my mom, "Love you," to my dentist.
How did he reply?
Please floss regularly.
That's actually kind of sweet.
Anyway, guys, before we start, if you enjoy relaxed English conversations like this, subscribe to the channel and join our little English learning family.
And let us know in the comments, what country are you watching from?
Okay, Emily, ready?
Ready.
Let's start with one of the biggest problems English learners have.
Section 1. I understand English, but I can't speak. This is so common.
Very common.
A lot of people can understand English videos, movies, songs, but when it's time to speak?
Their brain suddenly disappears.
Exactly.
It's like, "Hello, how art?" Buffering.
Yes.
Why does that happen, though?
Because speaking is different from listening. Listening is passive. Speaking is active. Your brain has to think, translate, choose words, pronounce them, and speak quickly. That's a lot.
Especially when someone is staring at you waiting for an answer.
Right. Pressure makes it harder.
I remember when I tried learning Spanish. A waiter asked me something simple, and I panicked so badly I accidentally ordered 3 soups.
3 soups?
I didn't even want 1 soup.
That's emotional.
I sat there like, well, this is my life now.
Mini speaking practice. Okay, everyone, let's practice something easy. Repeat after me. Give me a second.
One more time. Give me a second.
This is super useful in conversations. If you need time to think, say, give me a second.
Americans say this all the time, not, please wait because I am thinking about vocabulary.
No human talks like that.
Too robotic.
Natural English is short, simple, relaxed.
Natural conversation example.
Hey, Paul, what's your favorite food?
Give me a second. Pizza.
Really? Again?
Pizza has never betrayed me.
That's emotional. Section 2. How Americans really talk.
Okay, Emily, this part shocked me when I started listening to real American conversations.
What shocked you?
Nobody speaks like textbooks.
True. Textbooks say things like, "Hello, John. How are you this beautiful morning?" Real people say, "Hey, man, what's up?"
Or sometimes just, yo.
Exactly. American English is shorter, faster, more relaxed.
And people connect words together. Like, what are you doing becomes, what are you doing?
Yes. Or, did you eat yet? Sounds like, jeet yet.
The first time I heard that, I thought English was broken. Listening practice.
Okay, everyone, listen carefully. Formal English. What are you going to do today? Natural American English. What are you going to do today?
Again, what are you going to do today?
Now you try. Very good.
See? Native speakers are lazy.
Not lazy, efficient.
That's a nice way to say lazy.
Mini story. When I was teaching English in another country, one student said, "Emily, I can understand you, but I cannot understand movies." And honestly, that makes sense.
Movies are hard.
Actors speak quickly. They interrupt each other. They use slang. They mumble.
And sometimes explosions happen during conversations.
Exactly. So if movies feel difficult, don't feel bad. Start with simple conversations first. That's why podcasts are great for learning.
Especially podcasts with amazing hosts.
Very humble, Paul.
Thank you.
Section 3. Daily American Expressions. Okay, now let's learn some super common American expressions.
The kind people actually use every day.
Expression 1. I'm starving. This means I'm very hungry.
Not literally dying.
Right. Example. I skipped lunch. I'm starving. I say this every 2 hours.
Practice.
Repeat after me. I'm starving.
Again. I'm starving.
Expression 2. No worries. This means it's okay or don't worry about it.
Example. Sorry I'm late. No worries.
Very natural. Very friendly.
Expression 3. I'm just kidding. Important expression, especially for me, because I say dumb things constantly.
That's true.
Example. Your coffee tastes terrible. I'm just kidding.
Hopefully. Okay, Paul, let's do a quick conversation using these expressions.
Let's go.
Sorry I'm late.
No worries.
I didn't eat breakfast.
Really? I'm starving too.
Let's order 10 pizzas.
10.
I'm just kidding.
I wasn't.
Section 4. Fear of making mistakes. Can we talk about something important?
Definitely.
A lot of English learners are afraid to speak because they're scared of making mistakes.
Yeah. They think, what if people laugh at me?
But honestly, mistakes are part of learning. Every fluent speaker made thousands of mistakes.
Thousands, probably millions.
Even children make mistakes while learning their first language.
True. Kids say crazy things. My little nephew once said, I goated to the park.
That's adorable.
And technically wrong, but everyone still understood him. That's important. Communication matters more than perfection.
Emotional moment. If you're watching this right now and feeling shy about speaking English, I want you to remember something. You are already doing something brave. Learning another language is hard, but every small practice session helps. Every sentence helps. Every mistake helps.
And honestly, most people respect language learners because learning a new language takes courage.
Exactly.
Speaking practice.
Okay, everybody, repeat this confidently. I can improve every day.
Again, I can improve every day.
One more time with confidence. I can improve every day.
Yes, that sounded powerful.
Section 5. Small talk in America.
Okay, Emily, explain something to me. Why do Americans talk to strangers so much?
What do you mean?
Like in grocery stores or elevators or coffee shops, Americans will say, crazy weather today, huh?
That's called small talk.
But why?
It's a social habit. Small talk helps people feel friendly and comfortable.
Meanwhile, I'm standing there like, please let this elevator ride end.
Common small talk questions. Here are common American small talk questions. How's your day going? Busy day? Where are you from? What do you do? Any plans for the weekend?
Simple questions, easy answers.
Small talk role play. Hey, how's your day going?
Pretty good, just busy. How about you?
Same here. Got too much coffee though.
There's no such thing as too much coffee.
That explains your energy level.
Practice.
Repeat after me. How's your day going?
Again, how's your day going?
Now answer it yourself in English. Great job.
Section 6, real-life American restaurant conversation. Okay, this section is super useful because restaurants are scary in another language.
Especially when the waiter arrives and suddenly your English disappears.
Exactly.
Hi guys, welcome in. What can I get for you?
Can I get a cheeseburger?
Sure, fries or salad?
Fries. Always fries.
And something to drink?
Yeah, I'll take an iced coffee.
Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Breakdown. Notice these natural phrases. Can I get? I'll take. That's it. Very common. Very natural.
Not, I desire one hamburger, please.
That sounds like a medieval king ordering lunch.
Section 7. Understanding fast speech.
Okay, Emily, big question. How can learners understand fast English better?
3 things. Listen daily, repeat out loud, stop translating everything.
That third one is hard.
Very hard, but important. If you translate every word in your head, you'll always feel slow.
Makes sense. Your brain becomes traffic.
Exactly. Instead, train yourself to understand meaning naturally.
Shadowing practice.
Let's do shadowing practice. Shadowing means you repeat immediately after hearing. Ready? I'm kinda tired today.
Again, I'm kinda tired today.
Kinda means kind of. Very common in spoken English. I gotta go.
Again, I gotta go.
That means I have to go. This place is awesome.
Again, this place is awesome.
Section 8. Funny English misunderstandings.
Okay, Emily, tell me honestly, what's the funniest English mistake you've ever heard?
Oh, wow. One student once said, "I'm boring," when he meant, "I'm bored."
Oh no, that changes everything.
Exactly. I'm bored means you feel bored. I'm boring means you make other people bored.
That's hilarious.
Mini lesson. Repeat after me. I'm bored.
Not, I'm boring. Unless you really are boring.
Paul.
Another funny story. One time I tried speaking another language in a bakery, and instead of saying, I'm excited, I accidentally said, I'm pregnant.
No way.
Yes way. The lady looked shocked. I looked shocked. Everyone was confused.
Language learning is dangerous.
Section 9. How to sound more natural.
Want to know a secret?
Always.
Fluent speakers don't sound natural because they know difficult words. They sound natural because they use simple words confidently.
That's huge.
Instead of trying to sound smart, focus on sounding clear, natural, comfortable.
Example.
Instead of, I am extremely exhausted, most Americans say, I'm really tired.
Simple wins.
Practice. Repeat. I'm really tired.
Again, I'm really tired.
Natural filler words. Americans also use filler words constantly, like honestly, actually, like.
Especially like. People say like every 3 seconds.
Like, yeah.
See?
Section 10. Motivation for English learners.
Before we finish, I want to say something important. If your English isn't perfect yet, that's okay. You do not need perfect English to make friends, travel, get opportunities, enjoy conversations, or change your life.
And remember, fluency is not magic, it's practice. Little by little, day by day.
Some days will feel easy. Some days will feel frustrating. That's normal. Keep going anyway.
Final speaking practice. Okay, everyone. One final repeat after me practice. Ready? I'm learning English step by step.
Again, I'm learning English step by step.
I'm becoming more confident.
Again, I'm becoming more confident.
I can speak English naturally.
Louder. I can speak English naturally.
Outro. And that's today's American English Conversation Show.
Honestly, this was fun.
We should definitely do more episodes like this.
Absolutely. And guys, remember, you do not need to sound perfect. You just need to keep speaking.
Exactly. Before you go, answer today's comments question. What is the hardest part of learning English for you?
Listening, speaking, grammar, understanding fast movies?
Tell us in the comments. We read them all.
And if this video helped you relax and practice English naturally,
please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
And share it with a friend learning English too.
Thanks for spending time with us today.
Take care, everybody.
Keep practicing.
Bye.